Today, I'm unboxing a full set of the Nommi Amaryllis One Bite Sweetheart Plush Blind Box series. It includes 6 regular styles and 1 secret one. Each one is inspired by dreamy desserts. Let's meet these soft and cute little sweethearts. The cover is Edelweiss Frey. It looks like a white lamb. Each baby is very cute. Let's look forward to it. Taro Pastry. A purple amaryllis. Hi Taro Pastry. From head to toe, it's all soft lilac. Is this whose little room? Is it yours? The little one is so cute. Turn your little eyes to see. I love it. Its legs can rotate. You can let it stand or sit. The details are impeccable. What a cute little guy. Next one. Edelweiss Frey. Yep, this one made it to the cover. Let's see what it looks like. It really looks like a pink lamb. The white's amaryllis. Let me take you home. You are in me. Turn your little eyes. The little cake on its head is so cute. Next one. Berry Pop. Is pink and tender. Look at her good friend. You should protect each other. Compared to the previous generation, Nommi has more details. Look at the cream and cherries. They must be delicious. The eyes are still cute. How about a bite of this, sweetheart? Next one. The clouds are truckled. Here comes a friend. Good friends should always be together. Look at the standing pose. It looks a little shy and delicious. Next, Mellow Coco. Come out quickly. The tempting little guy. Let me see your partner. Hi, cutie. Let's put you two together. Roll your eyes. There's a piece of chocolate cake on its head. It looks very delicious. The expression is so cute. Who could resist a bite of this sweetie? The last one. Who is it? Milk biscuits. It's her. To be honest, the real thing looks cuter than the pattern. What do you think? The bunny is here. Time to go home. She looks so happy. My heart is melting with cuteness. The eyes move flexibly. The ribbon bow feels so soft to the touch. The embroidery details are so fine. It's also a cute little sweetheart. We've finished unboxing the whole set. Each one is very cute. Which one do you like best? Welcome to tell me in the comments section. Thanks for watching.